Welcome to our video all about the life and works of the great Charles Dickens. Born in 1812, Dickens grew up in poverty and faced many struggles throughout his life. Despite his difficult upbringing, Dickens became one of the most influential and beloved writers of the Victorian era. His novels, such as Great Expectations and Oliver Twist, continue to captivate readers with their memorable characters and vivid descriptions. Dickens was known for his sharp social commentary and his ability to address issues such as poverty and injustice. His writing often highlighted the hardships faced by the working class and exposed the inequalities of society. Dickens's characters, like Scrooge in A Christmas Carol, have become iconic figures in literature. Throughout his career, Dickens published numerous novels, short stories, and essays, demonstrating his exceptional storytelling skills. His works were often serialized, with readers eagerly awaiting the next installment of his gripping narratives. Many of Dickens's novels were inspired by his own experiences and the people he encountered in London. His writings reflect the changing dynamics of industrialization and the impact it had on society. Dickens had a deep empathy for the less fortunate and used his platform to advocate for social reforms. He championed education and sought to improve the lives of impoverished children in the Victorian era. In addition to his literary achievements, Dickens was also a prolific public speaker and performed readings of his works. His vivid performances brought his characters to life and further endeared him to his audience. Dickens's storytelling abilities continue to inspire writers and readers alike to this day. His influence can be seen in countless adaptations of his works in film, television, and even theater. The characters he created still resonate with audiences, reminding us of the power of compassion and redemption. Despite the success and admiration he garnered, Dickens battled personal demons and faced challenges in his personal life. He experienced marital difficulties and struggled with his own mental health, but he persevered and continued to write. Dickens's legacy lives on, and his contributions to literature and social justice are celebrated worldwide. His works remind us of the enduring power of storytelling and the importance of empathizing with the marginalized. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the fascinating life and extraordinary talent of Charles Dickens.